Welcome back, children. Good morning to all of you. In our previous class, we studied about the poem. Now, I have given you the objective of reading, why we are reading the poem Community Peace, and I told you the meaning of some of the words like community. Community means the people who are living together in a particular place, and peace means calmness, quietness, where there is no war, where there is no conflict in thoughts and mind. Okay, so I have asked you some warm-up question as well. If you remembered, I asked you, when you hear the word peace, what are the thoughts which comes in your mind? Generally, when we are talking about the peace means it is a state of mind. Okay, and when we are thinking about it, we always think about a place where there is no conflict, where there is no argument, no discussion, and people are living with peace and harmony. Okay, so today we are going to read the I'm going to give you the explanation. Yesterday I read the poem for you, but just to recapitulate what we have done, so let me read the poem once again. When there is harmony, there is peace. Joy on the earth does increase. For peace to grow in our community, the first step is social unity. We all know that healthy relations are the keys to peaceful nation. War and conflict we must avoid so that beauty of life may be enjoyed. We just need to open our hearts. That's where peace clearly starts. It's not that difficult to embrace and find with a caring heart and open mind. Okay, this is the poem. So let's go with the explanation. Here in this poem, the poet says that harmony in the society, it always leads to peace, which in return it always leads to joy. If there will be peace, obviously there will be joy everywhere. When there is peace, there is happiness all around us. This is what the poet is talking about. Also, if the social unity will be there, if we are having the social unity in the very first step towards attaining peace in our community. If there are healthy relations between two countries, it will result in the peaceful nation. We must avoid war and conflict in order to enjoy the beauty of life. Like they are talking about the healthy relations. We want to develop the healthy relations like India, Pakistan, India, China. We want that. No, and in order to develop that healthy relation, what is important? That there should be no war. There should not be any conflict in our ideas, in our thoughts. There should not be any argument regarding the things. And if we avoid this type of conflict in our thoughts, in our mind, and if we avoid the war, finally we can enjoy the beauty of life. And then the poet says that peace starts only when we open our hearts to others. We need to embrace the differences among human beings with a caring heart and the open mind. It is not difficult to find peace and harmony. So here it is very important. And how we can do that? If we are having personal grudges for someone, if we are jealous of someone, we cannot bring peace in ourselves, and we cannot make the society to live in peace as well, because we are having a personal grudges for someone. Okay, so when we want that there should be no conflict, we want that there should be no war, we should accept everything with a open heart. And once we open our heart, we find that people will also start reciprocating in the same manner. That's where the peace clearly starts. And that is what the poet is talking about. And then it is very important that it is not very difficult for us to embrace and find out about among the people. Okay, it is very easy. But the thing is that we should be very clear from our mind, and we should be very pure from our heart. And then with the caring heart and with the open mind, we can easily able to make peace everywhere, and we can live in harmony. Okay, so this is all the explanation of the poem. Now I am going to give you some of the question answers. Please children, write down the summary which I am going to give you right now in the copy. Along with that, please write down the question answers which I am going to share you right now. Okay, bye, take care.